Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Dr. Muhammad Zaman Ashraf. I welcome you all in basic organic chemistry. Today, our topic is alkenes. I will discuss the hydration of alkene. Hydration is a reaction of addition of water at carbon-carbon double bond. So, hydration of alkene, it results in the formation of alcohol. So, let's start with the hydration of alkenes. Suppose we have carbon-carbon double bond, it react with HOH, water, and this reaction is catalyzed by the presence of acid. So, we may use here sulfuric acid. It results in the formation of alcohol. ठीक है. इट मीन्स कि आप यहाँ जो है वो अगर फंक्शनल ग्रुप इंटर कन्वर्जन की बात कर रहे हो, सो हाइड्रेशन ऑफ अल्कीन इट रिजल्ट्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ अल्कोहल. मीन कि जब कभी भी आपको अल्कोहल प्रिपेयर करने हो तो आप अल्कीन से अल्कोहल इजीली बना सकते हैं बाय एडिंग वाटर मॉलिक्यूल. अगर आप जो है वो इसके रिवर्स रिएक्शन की जो है वो बात करें, सपोज वी हैव OH and this reaction is carried out in the presence of same catalyst sulfuric acid. ठीक है. So it results in the formation of carbon-carbon double bond along with the formation of water. This reaction is known as dehydration. So dehydration of alcohol it results in the formation of alkenes. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि ये दोनों रिएक्शन जो है वो ये इक्विलिब्रियम में ऑपरेट कर रहे होंगे कि उन्हीं कंडीशन में चूंकि आप अल्कोहल बना रहे हैं और उन्हीं कंडीशन में आप जो है वो अल्कीन्स बना रहे हैं. सो दीज टू रिएक्शंस दे आर प्रेजेंट इन इक्विलिब्रियम. ये प्रोडक्ट्स रिएक्टेंट्स इक्विलिब्रियम में जो है वो एग्जिस्ट कर रहे होंगे. बट बाय चेंजिंग द कंडीशन और द कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ द एसिड वी कैन शिफ्ट द इक्विलिब्रियम टू अवर सिलेक्टिव डायरेक्शन. मिसाल के तौर पे इफ we carried out this reaction, if we want to synthesize alkene, then we use here concentrated sulfuric acid. It means use of concentrated sulfuric acid, it shifts the equilibrium to forward direction, results in the formation of alkenes. On the other hand, in case of hydration of alkenes, and if we want to synthesize alcohol from alkenes, then we use dilute sulfuric acid. This means presence of large amount of water in this reaction equilibrium, it will be shifted towards the alcohol. So it means by changing the concentration of acid we can produce or we can form different products. So use of concentrated sulfuric acid it will gives us alkenes, while use of dilute sulfuric acid it will gives us alcohols. Suppose we have ethene plus water acid catalyst, we have ethanol, or we have cyclohexene water acid catalyst, it will gives us cyclohexanol. So these are some examples of hydration of alkenes which gives alcohol as our product. Mechanism of this reaction: first we have sulfuric acid and we know water is present here. Then we have H3O positive plus HSO4 negative. Then we have carbon-carbon double bond plus hydronium ion, ये जो HOH hydronium ion, then pi electrons attacks at this carbon. इसका मतलब ये हुआ addition of water at carbon-carbon double bond, it should follow Markovnikov rule, because यहाँ जो addition हो रही है वो electrophilic addition है. Carbocations, they are formed. This carbon, it should be more substituted. This is because this carbon is electron deficient, and if it is more substituted, so presence of these alkyl groups, electron donating groups, increase the stability of this carbocation or positively charged carbon. Then plus HOH, hydroxyl of the water attacks at carbon, and then we have positive charge here. ठीक है. So from this oxonium ion, इससे जो है वो आप प्लस वाटर से हाइड्रोजन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट कर देगा, कैटलिस्ट रीजनरेट हो जाएगा. देन वी हैव alcohol our product. So this is the mechanism of this reaction which results in the formation of this alcohol. So first step is the generation of this hydronium ion. ये जो है वो वाटर रिएक्ट विद सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड गिव्स अस हाइड्रोनियम आयन. तो यहाँ जो है वो हाइड्रोजन पहले ऐड होगी. सो हाइड्रोजन it goes to this carbon-carbon double bond, results in the formation of this carbocation, and these carbocations, which are electrophilic in nature, the water hydroxyl nucleophilic group attacks at this carbon, it results in the formation of our product. Some more examples of this addition. Suppose we have alkene in the presence of water and acid catalyst, it results in the formation of CH3 OH CH3. This is because first it will gives us this type of carbocation. ये जो है वो हाइड्रोनियम आयन के साथ जब रिएक्ट करेगी तो आपके पास ये कार्बोकेटाइन जो है वो प्रोड्यूस होगा. एंड देन द वाटर न्यूक्लियोफिलिक ग्रुप अटैक्स एट दिस कार्बन, इट रिजल्ट्स इन द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ isopropyl alcohol. So it means the addition of water at carbon-carbon double bond, it follows the Markovnikov rule. Similarly, we have CH3 H2O and acid catalyst, it results in the formation of this alcohol. So these are our products. So this is all about the addition of water at carbon-carbon double bond, mean hydration of alkene, which results in the formation of alcohol. In my upcoming lecture, I will discuss the orientation of hydration, mean कि जो है वो why this hydrogen and hydroxyl, addition of this hydrogen and hydroxyl, it follows the Markovnikov rule. Thank you very much.